The White House and Pentagon took the first steps today toward creating a space force as the sixth branch of the military. There was a speech by the vice president and a tweet from the commander-in-chief. Space force all the way. David Martin has more on this.
The time has come to establish the United States Space Force.
After that declaration by Vice President Pence, the Pentagon released a plan to set up by the end of this year a space command that would prepare to fight in space, just as other commands prepare to fight in Europe or the Pacific.
Space is one of our vital national interests, and it is becoming a contested warfighting domain, and we have got to adapt to that reality.
The U.S. military depends on some 140 satellites for everything from communications to guiding weapons to their targets. We all depend on these GPS satellites to get directions and withdraw cash from ATMs. Russia and China know that and are launching hunter-killer satellites which can maneuver close enough to an American satellite to disable it with a microwave or laser blast. 3 years ago, when 60 Minutes visited the command center for U.S. satellites, General J. Raymond described in guarded terms tracking what was originally believed to be a piece of space junk, but was probably a hunter-killer.
A young Air Force captain detected that debris started to move.
So what is that object that keeps maneuvering in space?
David, I'm not going to speculate, but I can tell you what it isn't. It's not a piece of debris.
The plan released today stops short of what President Trump wants, which is an entirely new military service devoted to space. A plan to do that will be submitted to Congress next year. Jeff?
Hunter-killer satellites certainly sounds pretty alarming. David Martin, thanks.